Alright, welcome again, Military Guna TV, and this is Arsenal transfer market roundup. And personally, I think we have a good transfer market so far. One of the better transfer markets we have had in many years. It's the first I've seen a transfer market where Arsenal got rid of so many dead players that they surplus the requirement, and now looking to move forward with what we have in hand. Now, the whole essence of this transfer market was definitely to cut the squad. We had a big squad. The squad had to cut, and as this Mikel Arteta instilled, and he continues to say that whenever you have such a big squad, there will be too many unhappy players, and that will cause many things, many bad things to happen, such as players shouting out, speaking out through their media platform that they are lacking game time. You have seen such as Ozil, Kolasinac have done it, and the younger players, French players, William Saliba, Balogun. We have seen where these players wanted game time and they couldn't get it, and so cutting the squad was really critical to getting moving forward to this season. All right, so now cutting the squad. Oh, before I go, please drop a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to highlight the amount of money that we have allocated just by cutting the squad. Now, first thing first, Ozil, we know he was on a massive pay wage, £350,000 a week. Kolasinac, £100,000 a week. Socrates, £92,000 a week. Saliba, £40,000 a week. But we know Saliba will be coming back in the summer. Matt Macy, £9,000 a week. Mustafi, £90,000 a week. Maitland Niles, £35,000 a week. And Joe Willock, £20,000 a week. So these are what happened in regards to the transfer window, and these are the players that we got rid of, and we know for a fact that they surplus the requirement and they were needed now. Players such as Maitland-Niles and Willock could be coming in the next few months. Also Saliba will be coming back as well, but we have a lot of players outside of the club right now who should be coming back in, such as John Jules, we have Ballard, we have McGuinness. So we have a lot of players out who could be coming in. So for first in a long while, we have seen Arsenal Football Club utilizing the transfer window, also the loan options that we have, and it is a good step forward, a nice step forward, and I can say this was a job well done in regards to Edu and Arteta, because it is something that we really needed to happen, and it was the only way that the club could actually move forward. Now, letting go of all those players we've seen now, we have done two decent recruiting in two particular areas that we really needed, such as Matt Ryan, which is the backup goalkeeper, and also the number 10/8 that we needed, the creative element, which is Odegaard. And really and truly, it was, in my perspective, if I should grade this transfer window, it would be a 9 out of 10 for me. And the reason why I give it a 9 is because a few more players that I wanted to see go out on loan didn't go out on loan as well, such as Nelson, Balogun. I wanted him to go out on loan. I wanted that transfer deal to get over the line, and obviously it won't get over the line. But getting rid of all these players. Oh, I almost forgot that. Oh yes, I mentioned him. Yes, so getting rid of these players was really critical to the club moving forward this season, and we know that we have to sort out the books, because it has been a massive issue for us for the longest while. These high wages has been hampering us to do proper business in the transfer market, that we saw last summer, that we had to do a lot of wage cut. But all I can say is this transfer window was a good one, and I really love how Arteta conducted himself and Edu conducted themselves over the transfer window, and we have seen we're doing better now in regards to recruitment and the final details in contract negotiation. So out of the club we have right now for this transfer window, Ozil, Kolasinac, Socrates, Saliba, McMacy, Mustafi, Ainsley Maitland-Niles, and Joe Willock. So Ozil to Fenerbahce, good deal. One of the hardest one to really struck up because Ozil wanted his final payment, but we got that one over the line. Kolasinac, that one was well needed. We know most of the Arsenal fan base really wanted him to go as well. Socrates handled himself as a gentleman, as a real professional in the club, despite he was actually alienated. He really handled himself properly, and he has moved on to Olympiacos. Saliba, I think I have to do a separate video on Saliba as well, because he's now doing some things that really irritates me. But he went on loan to Nice, and hopefully we see him coming back as a better player in the summer. So Mustafi, after Schalke 04 as his former teammate, his compatriot Kolasinac, Ainsley Maitland-Niles on to West Brom to play in the midfield role that he solely desire, and Joe Willock onto Newcastle, where he will definitely get game time. And I really love the fact that Joe Willock and Ainsley Maitland-Niles went off, and this would be pivotal for both of them career in growth. So as I said, out of 10, I'll give this transfer window a 9, and I really appreciate how the board conduct themselves throughout this transfer window. So before you go, please drop a like, comment, tell me what you think on how you grade this transfer window and what else we could have done. Thank you very much for tuning in. Military Buddha TV. Guess what? I'm out.